Good morning children. Welcome back to your English text session. In the previous class we have learned what the poem wants to tell us and we have already learned the question answers that you did in the books. So today we are going to do question number 2, that is your choose the correct option. So you have been given 4 options in your book and you have to write the correct of them in the blank provided here. But before doing that, we are just going to quickly revise what the poem told us. So in the first stanza, the poem told us that trees are the very kindest things. They just grow standing at one place and they also provide shades, that is the shadow, to the sleepy animals and enlarge their branches for the birds to make nest on. In the next stanza, they told us that trees gave us many things. What all things trees gave us? Trees gave us woods to make our houses of. Trees gave us leaves to burn on Halloween. Then in the spring season, trees gave us the new buds of green. That is the leaves. Leaves gave us fresh air. They gave us fruits and many other things. In the third stanza, we were told that trees were the first one to touch the rays of the sun and they are the last one when the moon is in the sky. So, in the evening time when the moon arrives and sun sets, trees are the last one to hold to the moonlight and also shine because of the moonlight. So, in the morning, trees shine because of the sunlight and at the end of the day, that is during the night time, the trees shine because of the moonlight. Now, in the next stanza, that was your last stanza, it was told to us that trees hum a drowsy lullaby, that is a sleepy lullaby for making the small children, the babies, put to sleep. So, it helped us put the babies to sleep. And the last line said that trees are the kindest things we know. So, on the basis of the poem, we will do the tick the correct options in the form of fill in the blanks. Children, you are required to learn the poem as this can be asked in your summative assessment exams. Okay? So, moving on to the fill-ups. Trees spread dash for the sleepy cows. You have been given 4 options and you have to choose the correct option. So, what do these trees provide for the animals? So, trees spread the shade. So, I will write here shade. Shade देते हैं ना trees animals को. Next, trees gather birds on their boughs, that are the branches. In the spring, trees are full of dash buds. In the springtime, what is the color of the tree? What are the color of the leaves of the trees that grow? It is green. So, we get green buds on the trees. In the next and the last one is trees shine at night from the light of the night में क्या होता है sky में sun और moon. So trees shine because of the light of moon. M will be capital. Now we will do tick or cross, that is true or false in the book only. Children, this work is given on page number 31 and 32. Okay? So children, these are tick or cross in your book. You can write true and false also over here. Okay? So first one is the poet calls trees harmful. So Harry Behan, the poet, calls trees harmful. Are the trees harmful? No. So this sentence is false. So we will put a cross over here or you can write false. Okay? Trees offer shelter to birds and animals. Trees offer shelter to birds and animals. True. Or you can put a tick. birds sing a lullaby. Birds sing करती हैं lullaby. No, trees do that. So this is also cross or false. Trees are the first to face the rays of the sun. Yes, trees are the first one to face in the morning. Trees are the first one to face the rays of the sun, the sunlight. So this is true or tick. Trees go to sleep in the morning. Trees सुबह सो जाते हैं? No. So this is wrong or false. Trees look bright in the spring. Yes, because of the new buds of green leaves, fruits, flowers and many other things. So trees look bright in spring? Yes, true or tick. So these were the true and false that are given on page number 32 of your book. Okay, so you have to complete them in book itself. I have written here to be done in book only. So children, this was all for today. I hope you must have understood and you will learn them very soon. Okay, till we meet in the next class, this is all for today. Bye-bye and have a good day. Eat healthy and stay healthy.